in Richard and Nancy's kitchen with the Fat Chefs. Today, Nancy and I are going to make chili dogs. The ingredients you will need: chili, we prefer no beans, jalapenos, hot dogs, buns, tomatoes, pickles, onions, mustard, and ketchup. After a long search, the hot dogs we like best are Boar's Head all-beef hot dogs in natural casings. They snap when you bite into them. Buns are just as important. We use an artesian bun. You can grill, boil, or fry your hot dogs. Nancy and I prefer to steam them. We put together a steamer. We used a pot, strainer, and a lid. They don't have to match. Fill it about 1/4 to 1/3 full. On the stove, and use high heat. Bring it to a boil. Put the dogs in and let steam for 6 minutes. You steam the buns for 1 minute. Hot dogs in the bun. Add your chili. Next, tomatoes. Pickles. I like to use Corniche. They have a better crunch and taste, but that's just my preference. Next, yellow mustard. Ketchup. I get a lot of negative comments about using ketchup on hot dogs, so that's your choice. I like a little bit of sweetness that it adds. Of course, you can put anything on you like. It's your hot dog. Chili dogs are simple and fun to make. A great lunch, snack, or dinner. If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.